Before we move on to our program, let's hear a speech about Children's Day by Manaswini from first class. Morning everyone, first of all, I wish you a happy Children's Day. This is Manaswini. I am studying first class in our Shanti Niketan English Medium School. Today I am going to telling about our great leader Jawaharlal Nehru. He was born on November 14, 1889 at Allahabad. His father name was Motilal Nehru. His mother name was Sarupa Rani. Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India. Children used to call him as Chacha Nehru. Nehru used to love children and said, "Children are the future of our India." Nehru children used to call him as Chacha Nehru. Nehru used to love children and said, "Children are the future of our India." Nehru died in 1964. Santivani is the resting place of Nehru. India celebrates Nehru's birthday on November 14 as Children's Day. Thank you everyone. Thank you, Manaswini. Presented a wonderful speech.